Hi guys, welcome to the Feel Good Kitchen. I'm Jacqueline King, and today we are going to make one of my absolute favorite recipes. It also happens to be one of the simplest things, but it is an avocado cream that you can use not only as a dip in place of something like guacamole, but also as a delicious topping on any kind of bowls, or you can make little appetizers. You can use it as a spread. And of course, it's wonderful on Mexican food on top of things like nachos or in lettuce tacos. And it just takes a couple minutes. So I'm gonna show you how to do it. So we just want one large avocado. If you can only find really small avocados, then you want to go ahead and use 2. Okay, and then we're going to add just half a cup of cashew milk. Now you can use any non-dairy milk that you like. You can use almond milk or any kind of seed milk if you have a nut allergy, but I really love cashew milk just because it has such a mild, creamy taste. So it makes a great base for any recipe. And then half of a lime. We're going to do a big pinch of sea salt and black pepper. So it's great just like this, but I really love a little kick from hot sauce. And I add about 2 teaspoons. My favorite is this organic sriracha, but you can use whatever your favorite hot sauce is. And that's it, you just blend it all up. So it's super quick, it's faster than making regular guacamole, but I actually like it more. It is so smooth and creamy, and it has this beautiful color. And I like to finish it off with just a little bit of fresh herbs. You can just tear them up with your fingers, sprinkled on top. And that's ready to use. It's so versatile and so yummy. It's great even just as a snack with tortilla chips, one of my favorites. I know you guys are gonna love it too. So thanks so much for watching, and please follow the Feel Good Kitchen for more healthy recipes. We'll see you soon.